Spend Sunday morning with me. This morning I'm making breakfast tacos. I'm a huge morning person, so I wake up every day at 5:15 to make the most of it. I ate my tacos outside and Grace watched me the whole time. I made my daily green juice and then fed my chameleon Randall. Grace is super needy for attention, and this morning she was working it. I got Grace in the car and then we drove over to my parents' house. It's about 15 minutes away. I took a beach walk all the way down to the pier and there was a man making the biggest bubbles I've ever seen. I came home to feed Tipto some breakfast and then we went to the park. After the park, I needed to take Grace on a walk and then we went to my favorite thinking spot.